raising a child in Canada with special needs. Don't mind the noise, you're gonna hear it because she's over there with her chips bag. So I can only talk from my perspective or my life, my view. Been watching our channel for a while. I don't know that our eldest, Malika Jade, was diagnosed when she was 3 years old with autism, nonverbal. Yes, that's her. The chips bag. Nonverbal autism, and she's globally delayed, right? And it has been a journey. It has been a journey, and I'm still on this journey. And I am not gonna be out of this journey no time soon. But I'm accepting the fact that she's artistic, and I love her very much. Originally from Jamaica. From initial stage when we got her family doctor, he started to recommend us to places to go and what to do. So initially we started with Alberta Health Services, where we got because of her age, she was accepted into a program there where speech therapists, dietitian, occupational therapist. So we got access to all of those resources. So when she was like 3 years old, 3 years 2 months or so, she was officially diagnosed with what I said before, right? And then the journey began where she was enrolled into the PUF program, and that's a program here in Alberta that help kids with special needs, integrate them into basically a school setting with a few other kids that can speak, or normal kids as they will say, to help them, try to fast track them to kindergarten. So she was accepted into that program, and that helped her out tremendously, right? Now she's at grade 2. Fast forward to grade 2, and she's still in school, still getting those support, but not as much as I would want. We are accepted into FSCD. So FSCD is family support for kids. FSCD. I don't remember the acronym right now, and nobody come from me right now. FSCD. Just type in FSCD in Google and you will find it. Right now I don't remember exactly what it means. I know, but right now I'm trying to complete this video. So she's accepted into FSCD. What that does is help you to get more resources, or getting more resources to specialize in special speech that she needs, speech therapists, occupational therapists, more in-depth, a one-on-one with her on a regular basis, and the Alberta government help you with it, right? But for now, she's at the initial stage where it's just respite and some other little few stuff that she gets. And we have been waiting for almost 2 years, going 3, something like that, because of there's more influx of kids with special needs, and there's less case workers. So we're now waiting on case workers. So that is in terms of resources for us. So anybody's that going to say that, reach out to, I have exhausted all who I can contact, so don't. So we just have to be waiting, and that's just how it is. In terms of the community overall, always say Canada or say Grand Prairie, everybody is understanding that there are people in their community that are not normal or are special needs. So I like raising my child here, right? I don't have to be worried about person thinking, oh, she's not doing that as yet, oh, she's not doing this as yet. Yes, so it's a society that is acceptance of people or kids with special needs, and which I'm really grateful for. In terms of my mental health, in terms of my mental health, it's here, there, and everywhere, because I'm a mom, and it does get it does weigh on my mental health a lot. You might just you might It does weigh on my mental health a lot. You might just not see it on camera or seeing it through our family, but it affects me and it affects them all just at the same. It's not easy. Just raising, I heard people saying that it's not easy raising kids. I know it's not easy raising kids, but it's not easy raising kids with challenges. That's a different ball game. When you have your typical child going through the motions of tantrums and although like those of us, like for myself, have different things to worry about. We have the tantrum plus other things to worry about. For me, I have to be worried about what life for her is going to look like, right? Where on the other hand, I don't have to worry so much about Malia. I worry about her, but she can talk, she can do things for herself, she can do all of that. But for Malika, I have to do everything for her. So it's a little bit different than raising a typical child, right? And so you have different worries. How is society going to do this? How is she going to integrate? Is she going to have a normal life? Is she going to do this? Is she going to talk? There's different worries, right? But yeah, that's a mental strain. And sometimes as parents, we feel isolated because not everybody understands. If you're not going through it, you don't really understand. And I don't think it's it's just everybody that have a child with special needs. It don't matter where you're raising your child. We all go through almost the same thing. Isolation. Our friends and family don't understand. Stuff like that, right? So that's the reason why we decided to do MJ Squared. For those who don't know what is MJ Squared, MJ Squared is a mobile and web app platform that is being developed here in Grand Prairie, which will be available Alberta-wise, Canada-wise, and hopefully soon, worldwide. This is in the developing stage, and this aims to help parents and caregivers with special needs kids, right? To create a community where we can share our experiences and learn from each other. Yes, you have other platforms out there, but there's a difference with ours. The difference is it will be filtered. I can't promise that there won't be trolls or anything like that, but the benefits of being on our platform is a sense of community, a sense where you can share what is going on with you, your child. If you're having a bad day, you can pick up your phone, you can pick up your computer, and you can access this community. This community also will be having all the resources that is in your designated community where you are at under one roof. That is the aim of MJ Squares, right? You have your child diagnosed with any neurodivergence, and you have the mental strain of it affects you mentally, and yet still you have to be going here and there to figure out where the resources are. Our aim is to put everything under one roof, right? Also, we're gonna have childcare providers, occupational therapists, the regular shoes, if it's the shoes that your child needs to help in him, in walking, everything that aims to support our kids, that is we're wanting it on our platform. And that's the aim of helping our parents to be, helping our parents to have a better mental health, to not be worrying where you're going to get certain things, right? So we're trying to put everything on one platform to help our parents. Happy parents have happy kids. And what it is like raising a child in Canada with special needs, we have the resources. Yes, we have people that understand, the society that understands, yes, but we don't have anyone asking how the parents are doing. We don't have anyone asking if you are okay. So, and it's not only Canada. I don't think it's just overall. Everyone have their own life, but I know that persons have people in their life that is going through what I'm going through. I have a child with special needs. When last have you checked on those friends and family? When last have you actually sit and asked that mom or dad how that mom and dad is doing? How, have you ever asked? Just sit for a moment, ask yourself if you ask. But anyways, I'm here rambling about all sort of stuff. But anyways, guys, the link for MJ Square newsletter is in the description. This is something that we're passionate about and we want to get it out to our families. So that's the aim, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And check us out on LinkedIn, MJ Squared. Check us out on Instagram, MJ Squared. Our newsletter would be would be at the. Our newsletter link would be at the in the description as well. Yeah. So go ahead, guys. Support. Send this video to anybody that is have a child with special needs and wanting a community. Tell them to check out MJ Square. Going to launch soon. Yes, guys. See you in the next video, and blessings to you all. Bye.